Oh no. They only have 2 cans of plastic. 2 cans is definitely not going to be enough. I wonder, I guess I'll have to go to a different store. I'm gonna pull the wheels off right now and PlastiDip them. I know, PlastiDip, whatever, but I think I'm gonna get different wheels next year anyway. I don't really care for this design, but I think it looks so much better with black. And then the windows are getting tinted on Tuesday too, so should look pretty cool in like a totally different car pretty soon. Robert's watching Curious George next door, so if you hear weird sounds, it's probably that. I don't really do tutorials or how-tos, but one thing I learned building model cars when I was a kid was to run spray paint under hot water. It just like makes it spray smoother and better. Found it really works good on PlastiDip. Kids are so silly. Pretty pumped with how this is coming out so far. And only 1 can. I bought 6 cans, I think, total. Can't wait to get these on the car.
What the heck?
I'm painting the wheels to my car.
Wheels? Hey.
I lost the dog for a minute. It's like sleeting outside now. Car's taken apart. I want to pull that in the garage, but the wheels for this side are still wet, so I can't. The old one, the new one. Oh, the black looks way better. Several hours later, black wheels are on, car is back on the ground. It definitely, oh, and I put on ModalWorks wheel spacers too. So 15 millimeter in the front and 17.5 in back. They are pretty flush. I think they look pretty good. Really, I kind of wanted 20 millimeter for the back, but I mean, that's pretty good. Once it's lowered, it's gonna look so sweet, I think. If we actually go on lockdown, like we're supposed to, I guess the Michigan governor is announcing it, maybe like right now even. That would mean that I wouldn't be going into my office as much, so I could go to my building, work on projects for this thing. Looks pretty cool, I think, so far. Can't wait to lower it. Wish the spoiler was on it, but all things considered, pretty stoked with how it came out.